Let's compare these two microphones, Takstar SGC 59A versus the BOYA MM1. Let's do some audio tests indoor and outside. Okay, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose Velez from JV Creazion Tech, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm going to start first with the camera audio, and this is the T5I Canon. So let's check the audio, or I have a lab. Let's check how is the camera audio. Okay, so this is the audio of the camera, so you can check when I am putting this in. Let's start with the Takstar. The Takstar is pretty good. I have the on and it run with battery, AA, only one. You have the 10 plus dB that you can raise the volume if you find the volume lower. And you can cut in the 80Hz, mostly for the wings when you are outside. So I'm gonna keep it without cutting the wing, and I'm gonna keep it in 0 for the level. Let's do the check. 1, 2, 3 testing. So now you are listening to the Takstar. 1, 2, 3 check. It's a boom mic, so you can use it with a mic stand or in top of your camera if you are close. If you are too far, then you have to find a way to put it close to you, because the closer you are, the better the audio. So this is the Takstar, and it's run with battery. And I have another camera that doesn't apply power, so I have to use this one with the Canon R800. I have to use this microphone because the camera does not apply power to the microphone. So let's check now with the BOYA. Okay, so now we're with the BOYA. And they are two good microphones. I like both. So you decide what you need. Now we're gonna go outside and do some tests outside with the wing. See, for vlogging, they are both very good. This one is big, but this one have the battery, so you have to check what do you need. When I'm vlogging, I prefer the BOYA because it's smaller, so it's better in my bag than this one. This one I prefer it more for when I'm doing my YouTube videos as a boom with a mic stand. Okay, so here is now with the BOYA in the camera because I'm recording with the Takstar. But here you can see how it looks on top of my camera. I have the wind filter here. And this clip look good, strong. This is metal. When I'm vlogging, I prefer the BOYA because it's smaller and it has the big wind filter here. So this is how it looks. Cable to here. There you go. So let's check out outside. Okay, so now we're outside with the Takstar and the test of the sound with the wing. So now let's see. I have the camera pretty close because I have the wide lens. See, if I put it like this, this is 18, this is 10, so it's wide, so I'm close. See, I'm touching the microphone, so I'm close to the microphone. And this is the Takstar. Let's see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3 testing. Let's see how it compares with the BOYA. I'm gonna switch now to the BOYA. I have the wind filter on. Okay, so now is the BOYA 1, 2, 3 testing. Let's see how it compare with the Takstar. So I like this one when I am in the studio to use it as a boom mic, or when I'm using my camcorder R800 Canon that doesn't apply power, so I need a microphone with power, and this is a good choice for that. But when I'm vlogging outside, I like the small one, so I can use it in my camera that apply power, because this microphone do not have power. But most camera apply power. You just have to check with your manual. Okay, so right now there's wind, but I think it's blocking. Okay, so here the Takstar around 44. It going up. It was cheaper, but it's because this is a good microphone. So this is how it is right now. This is how it is, just a microphone, a cloth here to put it, a package, the battery, and that's it. Let's check out the BOYA. The BOYA MM1 is running in Amazon around 30, 35. Sometimes you can find it with more accessories, about 40 different windshield. Here the windshield, here's the regular cable for your camera, the shock mount, the microphone, the package, the cleaning cloth, and an extra cable with 3 lines. You can see it, that's a TRRS, so you can connect it to your phone, but beware that you need a connector if your phone doesn't have the input. Let me know you're coming. I like bow, so I'm gonna keep a bow to use it. This one more on the studio, that one more for vlogging, but if I'm using the camcorder Canon R800, I'm gonna be using this one. Let me know if this is helpful. Link down below. If you buy, I'll receive a small commission, so it's a win-win and you support the channel. So thank you so much. See you next time. Let me know any question down below. Bye.